Hello, I am Gabriella Ferenczi and I wanted to explain briefly what I'm planning to do at this new online training called Marketing Yourself as a Language Professional. First of all, I want to help you with simple strategies to find a target niche that you can serve in the best possible way and where you can be laser focused on their needs and wants. Because I feel that this is the key to positioning yourself as an authority within your niche, and that may also help you increase your prices. We will also look into how you can create unique and remarkable service packages and solutions that are just not available anywhere else, and that people want to buy, not only because they need it, but because they want it, which is a crucial difference. I'll share with you how naming my terms made potential customers of mine intrigued to find out more about who I am and what I do and raise their interest in my services. And we will also discuss winning strategies to market your services effectively, both online and offline. So expect practical case studies and strategies that worked for me personally and that can improve your marketing too, I believe. So this is going to be a very interactive program, and that's exactly why we limited the number of attendees, and we will also do like a mini blockbuster mastermind at the end. So if you have any challenges in terms of winning new clients, perhaps keeping your clients or marketing yourself, then you will be able to ask and the whole group will do their best to come up with ideas that you can put into action. So if this is of interest, then I hope to have a chance to work with you.